This is Guru Prasanna from 3D Fully Design. This is a glimpse about me. Let's explore a real world product, round solid copper rivet in 3D. These are the real pics of round solid copper rivets, also known as universal head rivets. Approx dimensions: rivet head 6 mm dia, rivet shank 3 mm dia, shank length 10 mm. Alphabetical parameters. Let's preview the final 3D design of this copper rivet. How these rivets are made, a glimpse of its manufacturing. Step 1. A roll of copper wire with the desired shank diameter. Step 2. With a die of specific diameter and forging, the head is accomplished and cut to a suitable shank length. Let's demonstrate this in a 3D tool. Let's sketch a line of 40 mm for length of copper roll. Let's sketch a circle of dia 3 mm for copper wire with a overall roll diameter of 60 mm. Let's make a solid copper wire roll with 13 revolutions for a length of 40 mm. Let's make a small straight portion of the wire for a length of 40 mm. Copper material has been applied to the wire roll. Let's sketch for the rivet head with the dia 6 mm and thickness of 2 mm. Let's solidify the rivet head, which is generally accomplished with a suitable die and by forging. Let's cut the rivet for a shank length of 10 mm and separate it from the roll. Approx weight 1.02 grams.